caught another farmer, and it's a John Deere farmer. Looks like he's got some corn stuck in his header, or he might have hit something down there. But there's a grain cart and a John Deere tractor with some tracks on it that looks pretty cool. So I'm just gonna hang out here. He's backing up right now. But I'm not sure if the field looks pretty dry. So I'm not sure what he got caught like in his header. He might have hit something in the field down there. I'm not sure how far he's going to back up, if he's going to back up all the way. We'll have to check it out. So these two farmers here, they farm about 1,000 acres here in Lenawee County. They had a little too much rain, they were saying, this year, and some of the corn's got like a little disease to it. They backed out of the field because they had to go home and get a wrench for like the reel that they put on the header there. So really nice guys. I hope they have a better harvest to come. Thanks for watching.